Respect to everybody. What's good? All we doing? I'm finna put this garlic in the ground right there. I'm finna go ahead and put it in the raised bed. Yeah, you know me. I ain't gonna do too much talking. You understand what I'm saying? I got my leaves ready for the mulching. Put my mulch down after I'm finished with it. I'm gonna put it in the ground though. Finna set y'all up. Got weeds coming up. Alright, so anyway, what we finna do, all you gotta do when you get your garlic, I got like 10 of them. Put them like 4 inches apart. Put it in there too late, but I'ma still do it anyway. I don't care. You just really put it in there deep enough to cover it up. You understand? I always have the flat part downward, you know. And just put it in there enough to cover them up. That's all we doing. Yeah, that's all we doing. And try to get the biggest cloves you can find. Hope y'all can still see. Okay, so now we got us some garlic. Tomorrow I'm gonna let y'all see me do cause this ain't frozen yet. So tomorrow I'm gonna let y'all see me put some ginger in the ground. I'm just doing something. Trying to see what I can make happen and shake and grow and whatever. But tomorrow I'm gonna let y'all see me put some ginger in here. Before it get cold and freeze everything, like freeze all the dirt and shit. I just jump the fence and rip my shit up. But yeah. So now with this, I'm gonna just cover it up with some mulch. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm finna go get this compost off the front porch. I'm gonna layer some compost over the top, then put some mulch on it. Y'all stay right there. I'll be right back. There we go. It's that Happy Grow compost. Get off me. It's that Happy Grow organic compost. Ain't that major. And I'm gonna spread some across the top of this and all that. Let me go turn my water on. So let me cover this up right quick with this compost. Like I say, I may have came with this shit too late. Stop. I may have came with this too late. Planting my garlic. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Never know. Kind of put it thick on there. Cause that wind go to picking up. That's why you see how much space I got. Like, I could have added some more dirt. It is what it is. And them little sticks, you ain't gotta worry about it. Just break it up. All love breaks down carbon into the soil. You know, feed the soil minerals and nutrients and antioxidants and all this stuff. You want to keep it hot. Don't be worried about no rocks or nothing. You know, rocks ain't nothing but minerals. That's like a piece of concrete though. Damn the concrete. Oh yeah. Mulch the little area. Mulch it real good. That's why I know the spot. Bink, bink. Yipper. Now we finna do, give it a light little watering, but heavy for real. There y'all go. Man, this is garlic. I planted 10 cloves. You know. So hopefully by next spring we have that garlic, man. Hopefully by the time spring come in, y'all see garlic. Cause I got it in the ground before the ground froze. Before the soil and the dirt and all that shit froze. So that was a good thing. I'm finna try the same thing with this ginger tomorrow. I'm gonna give y'all that video. This is Experience My Journey with G School. Respect. I'm up out of here. Oh, hold up. Look at my guy. Blaze. Come on, boy. Good boy. We up out of here.